Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add file into a folder in Google Drive. First thing you will need to do is to have some folder. So go to My Drive, right click, click on New Folder, and now you can name your folder. So I can name it My New Folder. Click on Create, and now this folder will appear right here. So it's pretty easy. If you have some files right here, you can just drag, click on them, drag and drop them on your new folder. As you can see, it's really easy like this. Or you can also take them out simply, just select them and then drag them to my drive right here. Then you can go to my drive, and if you don't have a folders that you want to drag here, then simply go over to your folders on your computer and then drag and drop them right here, and then you can select them and drag and drop them to your folder, or it is much easier to instantly just select your photos right here and then drop them right to your folder. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.